Okay, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to video number 4. Okay, so just now we have learned about long H. Long H ni, you are the trader who wants to invest in KLCI, but you afraid the value of investment will increase. But in this case, next we are talking about selling or short H. Okay, you anticipate the price will fall. So kalau kita anticipate price or index akan jatuh, what will happen? The value of our investment will fall as well. So to understand further, let's take a look at this example. As an investment director or fund manager, you anticipate Bursa Malaysia is to experience another downtrend between today, when is your today, August, and in the near future, November. Currently, the cash index is trading, or the KLCI is trading at 1,100, while November futures or FKLI quotes at 1010 or 1,010 in Bursa Malaysia Derivative Berhad. Who are you? You are the fund or director of fund management. You are currently managing a portfolio worth 50 million ringgit. Oh, this one is ringgit, I missed the RM, okay, RM 50 million ringgit, and decided to hedge 80%, only 80% of that portfolio value, 80% daripada 50 juta, alright, which is equals to how much? 40 million lah. Try to calculate 0.8 times 50 million. You want to hedge only 40 million with the beta of 1.15. As expected, at the end of November, the cash index closes at 980 and the futures index at 930. So establish your hedging strategies by showing your hedging benefit. Okay, so let's take a look at what are given to us. Okay, these are the value of KSCI. 1,100, the November FKLI is 1,010, the beta 1.15, and the percentage you want to hedge is only 80% out of the 50 million ringgit. At the maturity, right, the KSCI is 980 and the FKLI, November FKLI is at 930. So again, this is the formula how to calculate the number of contract. 50 million time only 0.8. Tukar 0.8, jangan darat 80. 0.8 time 1.15 and all this thing above, you will divide with 1,010 times 50 ringgit. Datang mana 1,010? The value of November FKLI today, and you will get contract, the number of contract 910, 10 contract, tens pula, datang mana tens, tension ke mak, 910 contracts. Okay, so what happened next is you should prepare your outline, the table. Today is the early September. You are currently managing, tulis kat sini, currently managing 50 million investment portfolio. The current index is 1,100 and you expect the index to fall in November. So the falling index will reduce the value of investment. So kita takut lah. Okay, takut value of investment jatuh. So bila value of investment jatuh in the cash market, the value of FKLI later will also fall down. So hari ni nilai dia masih tinggi. So masih tinggi, what should we do? We should open position by selling the November contract. So we will sell 910 November FKLI at 1,010, and later on in the cash market you will hold, saya /sell, because if you can see clearly in the question, dia tak cakap lah pula you are going to sell. Normally kalau harga jatuh, portfolio manager dia tak jual, dia akan hold the investment. Okay, you not necessarily have to sell. Normally portfolio or investment or investor manager, investment manager of company will not sell. Kalau sell rugilah sebab value of investment jatuh. So normally kita akan letak hold. Kalau clearly dia cakap sell, letak sell. But if the question tak cakap clearly nak jual ke tak, simply letak hold. Alright, hold the investment. So the current index has fallen to 980, so declined as expected. So here you close out your position, you will buy 910 November FKLI at 930. Next would be how to calculate the short hedge profit. Again, in futures market, selling price minus buying price time number of contract time 50 ringgit. So you will gain profit how much? 3.64 million in the futures market. Now let's take a look at the cash market. What happened? Since the index has fallen, So what happened? The value of the investment dah jatuh. So kita nak tengok lah banyak mana dia jatuh. So how to calculate the decrease in the value of the decrease in the value of the investment? You take ending index I1 minus IO beginning index over IO times the amount of investment of portfolio. So you will get negative 4.454545 million ringgit. So this is the amount of loss in the investment. To have a clearer picture, kita tengok kat dalam dialog box ni. Alright, we can simply ambil I1 over IO times amount of investment. Okay, so I1 over IO, okay, 980 over 1,100 times 50 million ringgit. Nampak tak? Portfolio kita dah tinggal how much? 44.545555 million. So as you can see, hilang mana tu? How much is the amount yang dah hilang? This is the amount actually disappear from the original value. So see, you can see the value of the investment has dropped. Okay, alright. So how to calculate the net effect? You will take the futures profit and then you will minus the amount of loss. Sebab ini duit masuk ni untung, ini duit yang hilang. Alright, so yang untung 3.64 million, the amount you have lost is 5.45 million, lebih kurang. So after you plus and minus these two value, the amount that you have lost only, alright, tinggal berapa? 1.814 million. So instead of losing 5.454 million, because of the profit made here, you have covered part of the loss. So jumlah investment yang drop cuma banyak mana? 1.814545 because it has been covered by the profit made in the futures market. So be careful long hedge and short hedge. Okay, alright. And then how to calculate the effective price without hedging? So this is the amount original value of our investment. Without hedging, we will lose this amount. Okay, and then you will divide with the number of contract times 50 ringgit. Alright, the value of your investment is actually at 979 index point. But through hedging, your value of investment sekarang, you tengok 50 million minus, this is the amount you will lose. Alright, but kecil je jumlah dia. Why? Because part of the loss has been covered by the profit here. Okay, alright, so you divide with 910 times 50 ringgit. We are actually holding our portfolio value at higher price. So effectively with hedging, a portfolio manager managed to hold or sell the portfolio at higher index. If hedging is not done, nampak tak, the index value dah drop kepada 979 only. Okay, so we have done with video number 4 and then we will do exercise in video number 5. Stay tuned.